guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you have already know the title of what you're about to watch, let's just get into it. Here is my ingredients as you have seen, and that is the dry fish. That is Nigerian dry fish. That is the particles of the Nigerian dry fish and crayfish. So here I have washed it 2 times and now I'm putting it in my blender to blend it. So here I'm about to wash the crayfish also. I washed the crayfish 2 times also because of some sands. So I hate to see sands in my food. Yeah, why won't I? So yeah guys, now I'll go ahead and blend both of them together. Yes, I do it like this because of some bones, and before doing it I always first remove the strong ones, the hard bones, before blending it. Yeah, I don't normally waste or throw the fish particles. This is the way I used to use it, and it is very good for me, and I think it can help somebody out there if you're the type that normally throw your fish particles, dry fish particles away. So this is the way you can make use of it also. So right now I'll go ahead and start cutting all the vegetables one after the other. First I'll start with, as you can see, with carrots, but I'm not going to cut all. I'm going to cut the one I need because this carrot some spring onions inside it has a lot of sands, and that's the reason I wash it again. Not the first one I wash it, but I'm going to wash it again after cutting it. That's how I used to wash some of my vegetables. Yeah. So if you are a vinegar person, this recipe is for you. It's very healthy and it tastes so good. Now I'm going to start washing all of them one after the other. After cutting all the cuttables, I'll go ahead and start washing it one after the other. I know some will be wondering why I'm washing my vegetables like this. Yeah, guys, we are in winter time and sometimes I found a lot of sands in those vegetables. So once I'm doing this kind of recipe, I prefer washing it like this. Yeah, even the carrots, I'll go ahead and wash it with salt. So it's better for me to be sure of what I'm doing than to wash it like using water, bringing it one after the other from the roots, and I'm not sure that it is well washed. So but with this method, I'm sure yes, I wash it very well. Keep watching, guys. So when it comes for weight loss journey, soups, I have different methods I'm using. I don't stick on one particular soup recipe. So this one is one of them I'm sharing with you today. Another day I'm going to show you guys another method I use on my soups. Yeah, like I said, this one is just for 3 days, and after 3 days I make another one, or I go ahead and make 6 days soups but different methods the same day and put it in my freezer. Once I'm hungry or whatever I'm going, I go with it because I know that I'm going to need it along the way. So here, as you can see, my pot is full. Yeah, guys, so I'm not going to leave it like this. After adding the onions, I still went ahead to divide it into 2 with another pot. But if you are the type that has a bigger pot than mine, just go ahead and put it on your fire. So now I will go ahead and make a kind of, we like say simo. This is grease, we call it grease. I'm in Dutchland, so there is something we call grease. It's a kind of semovita or a kind of yam pudding. So not yam pudding, I mean yam flour. So I'm going to mold it in a small portion. This is a kind of like, once I want to eat the vegetable, it depends on how hungry I am, I can take 10 pieces of this thing I'm doing right now. I can take 10 of it, that is 10 pieces of the grease, and add it on my soup. So this soup I'm doing is 3 days soup. It means I'm not going to eat anything again. It is only the soup I'll be taking for 3 days. So now let's check the vegetables to see how far it has gone. As you can see, the ingredients from the bottom is now coming up. I'll go ahead and add the remaining, but first of all I'll close it again, allow it to boil like 2 minutes, then I'll go ahead, open it again, turn it, and then before adding the rest of the vegetables. You can see the color. Yeah, it is that color because of the purple vegetables. Yeah, keep watching, guys. So the reason why I divided the vegetables into 2 like that is because it will not contain my pot the 4th time, so I know already because I've been doing this recipe, so I know that I'm going to divide it. Then after the vegetable sum, that is the one you have seen now, you have seen that it has gone down, so I can now add the rest of the vegetables, add the Maggi cube, then close it again, allow it to cook another 2 minutes, and then open it again, give it a stir. Turn it very well. Make sure that all the ingredients come together. Yeah, keep watching, guys. So as you are cooking it, don't forget that this vegetable, you don't have to overcook it. Yeah, all the turning, all the time I use here is about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm done cooking, because once the fire hits on the vegetables, guys, it is already done. So once you are cooking it, you have to be checking your time. You have to be very conscious of your time so that the vegetables will not be overcooked. Yeah. So right now I'm going to bring small portion for my kids because they used to like the soup also. So because of the kids, I take small portion out, then add fresh habanero pepper. Guys, I love pepper when it comes to soup. I don't joke with it. So I like my soup to have lots of pepper, especially now we are in this period of time, winter. I like it when it is very hot. You can relate with me if you are the lovers of pepper. So my soup is done, ready to be consumed at any time, any moment of the day. So here is the portion. I'm using this plastic to divide it. So this is the portion I'll be taking each time I am hungry. Yeah, this is what I'll be taking. So if you watched till this point, what are you waiting for to subscribe if you have not? So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Hope you really enjoy watching. Bye.